Hello students, hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss about our school garden. So let's start. See, this is our school garden. We have a beautiful garden in our school ground. It's boundary wall made of bricks. There are many flowers, plants, trees in our garden. The flowers are rose, marigold, dahlia, etc. And trees are mango tree, lychee, jamun, jackfruits, etc. The gardener looks after it. He waters the plants every day. We also grow vegetables and fruits from it. We plant seasonal flowers in winter and spring. There is bench, swing, a sitting area in the center of our garden. Students feel very happy when they go and play in the school garden with their friends. They are play different games, activities in the garden. Students plant new trees in the garden area. There is green grasses inside the garden. The grasses are very soft. The gardener takes care of it. He cut into small pieces and maintain it properly. When we go outside for some outdoor activities to visit the garden, we can see some birds, colorful butterflies are there. The butterflies fly from one flower to another. They look very colorful. We love our garden. We never pluck any flowers from it. It is a pleasure to spend time enjoy with the beauty of the garden. We like our school garden very much and we should also take care of it. Thank you.